Okay, these are going to be the answers to the adding vectors worksheet that we had in class. I'm just going to go through these answers, and if you have any questions, just let me know. But it'd be a good idea to maybe just pause the video and check your answers with what I have before you move on. Okay, so starting with A, some of you measured in centimeters, some of you measured in units. Either one, I really don't care which one you use as long as you have the correct answer. So we can say for A, it's 4 units at 0 degrees from the horizontal, or 2 centimeters from the horizontal. For B, it's going to be 270, because remember, when we measure our angles, we start from the horizontal and work our way counterclockwise up to 90, over to 180, and then down to 100 or 270. So that's why it's 270 from the horizontal. But remember, you can also express this as a negative angle if you go clockwise. So if I go clockwise down, it's going to be a negative 90 degrees from the horizontal. Either one of those is correct. For C, we've got 180 degrees from the horizontal at 5 units. For D, it's going to be 8 units at 90 degrees from the horizontal. And now let's talk about some angles here. This is where the hardest part is, and it's trying to figure out the angles. Okay, there's several different ways to express an angle. The first one is we've got a 30-degree angle from the horizontal. So again, if we go from the horizontal and work our way up to the angle, it's a 30 degrees angle there. We can also say that it's 30 degrees north of east. And how I do these is I go east first, and then I go up 30 degrees north. And that's how you designate the angles of north of east. For F here, it's 10 units, and there's a couple of designations. You can go up to 90 plus another 45 gives me 135 degrees from the horizontal. Or you can say 45 degrees north of west, but because this is a 45-degree angle, we can also designate it northwest. So if you put 45 degrees west of north or 45 degrees north of west, they're still going to be the same answer. For I here, we've got 7 units, and it's going to be 270 degrees. So I start at the horizontal, work my way around counterclockwise, going up to 90, over to 180, and then 180 plus another 60 is going to give me 240 degrees from the horizontal. Now, a second way to designate this angle is going to be with 60 degrees south of west. So I'm going to go west, and then 60 degrees south of that is going to be my vector here. And that's how you designate that. Or, because that's a 60-degree angle here, you can have a 30-degree angle as well over here, and that's going to be 30 degrees west of south, if you have that. For L here, we've got 340 degrees from the horizontal, so going from the horizontal going all the way around 340 degrees to hit that angle there, boom. Or you can say that it's 20 degrees south of east. I'm going to go east and go 20 degrees south of that. That's going to be my angle. But you can also designate this as 8 units, 70 degrees east of south. That would be this angle here. The last thing you can do with this angle is that because I start here, and if I go clockwise, I'm going to get a negative 20 degrees as well. Okay, so let's check the back page here. A couple of ways to describe it. The resultant. Now remember, if you got about the same answer, I'm okay with that. Okay, we just measured it and we estimated it based on our measurements. So I'm not worried too much about your exact numbers. As long as you're close, we're okay. So I measured the resultant to be about 13 units, and it's 248 degrees from the horizontal. Or you can say it's this angle here, which is going to be 22 degrees west of south. And for the second one, we've got the resultant is going to be 8 units at about 68 degrees from the horizontal, going up counterclockwise. Or you can say that it's 60 degrees north of east. The next one is 18 units at 10 degrees from the horizontal. Or we can say that it's 10 degrees north of east. For the next one, we've got an angle that's going to start from here, going up to 90, 180, and down to 228, with 20 units as my magnitude from the horizontal. Or you can say that it's 48 degrees south of west. We can also go backwards here. If we start from the horizontal and go clockwise to a negative angle, it's going to be a negative 132 degrees. Now make sure that you complete these problems as well, and if you have problems understanding this video or understanding how to write your angles, let me know. That's why I'm here and I can help you.